Hi there, I'm gonna tell you about my friends Thea and Taedra. Meet Thea and Taedra, two sisters who fill every day with joy. They love to sing, cook, learn, and explore the world together. It's Music Monday. Thea and Taedra love to sing and dance. They fill the house with happy tunes and twirl with glee. Tasty Tuesday is for cooking. Today they're baking yummy cookies. The kitchen smells wonderful. World Wednesday means learning. They read about planets, stars, and far-off lands. The universe is so big. Thinking Thursday is Puzzle Day. Thea and Taedra work together, fitting pieces just right. They love to solve mysteries. Friendship Friday means playing with friends. They laugh, share, and have so much fun together. Scribble Saturday is for art. Thea and Taedra paint, draw, and create colorful masterpieces. Success Sunday is a time to celebrate. They reflect on all their achievements of the week and feel grateful. Thea and Taedra sing their favorite songs on Music Monday. They love to dance in the living room. Tasty Tuesday is here and it's time to make sandwiches. They love adding lettuce and tomatoes. On World Wednesday, they learn about different animals. Today it's all about elephants and lions. Thinking Thursday is for games, they play a matching game with colorful cards. Our Friendship Friday is a picnic day. They invite their friends to the park for snacks and games. Scribble Saturday is for drawing outside. They sit under a big tree and sketch nature. Success Sunday means showing off what they've learned all week. They put on a little show for their family. Music Monday is back, and they're trying new instruments. Thea plays the xylophone, and Taedra tries the flute. Tasty Tuesday means making pizza. They add cheese, pepperoni, and their favorite veggies. World Wednesday is for learning about space. They look at pictures of rockets, stars, and planets. Thinking Thursday is for building. They create towers and castles with colorful blocks. Friendship Friday is dress-up day. They invite their friends over for a costume party. Scribble Saturday is for finger painting. They get messy and create colorful masterpieces. Success Sunday means giving thanks. They're grateful for their family, friends, and all the fun they had. Every day is an adventure with Thea and Taedra. They make each moment special. What will Thea and Taedra do next week? The possibilities are endless. Remember, every day can be full of joy and learning, just like Thea and Taedra's week.